Hi lovelies, welcome back once again. Here is Veeba's kitchen and I believe you are doing great. Once again I'm back and I'm sharing with you one of my simple homemade juice which is so powerful to detox, to brighten the skin and to repair the body as a whole. And all the ingredients put together are organic, harmless and are very affordable. Please stay tuned as always till the end and be inspired. Lovelies, to support your girl, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and as always I'll appreciate it. And if it's your first time here, I hope you'll be inspired to join this amazing family. Lovelies, without wasting my time, let's begin. And here I've got with me my clementines and oranges, and they are all nice, juicy and very sweet. I'll go ahead and take off the nuts from the clementines, put them aside and introduce you to the next ingredients that we'll be using for our juice. Okay, so here I've got my lemon, lime, carrots and then my ginger. Again, I'll set them aside, and here I've got my celeries. Next, I'm going to wash them all nicely using my vinegar. So lovelies, I'm back and it's time to squeeze out the juice from our oranges and clementines. Yeah, these oranges and clementines, as I said earlier, were so sweet and very juicy, and that was a plus for me. As a result, I was able to drink more and more and was even craving for more. So whenever you decide to make this powerful juice, make sure your oranges and clementines have these qualities, or else you might not like the juice because it might taste sour. So apart from the clementines in the net, I also had some clementines at home and they were kind of old, but I didn't want to discard them, so I decided to add them to my juice by peeling off their skins instead of squeezing the juice out because they are not even that juicy. Yeah, so now I'm squeezing out the lemon and lime juice and I'm using one each. You can use two or even more of each of them, yeah, depending on how much you want the taste or flavor of them in your juice. Yeah, I'm all done squeezing out the juice from our oranges, some of the clementines, our lemon and lime. It's now time to cut these old clementines up just like this. You see, not that juicy, but still the blender will help me extract some juice. It's better than just discarding them. Lovelies, if it's the first time ever seeing my video, hey, you are warmly welcome. I'd love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Please don't forget to smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Also, whilst at it, click on the all option in order not to miss any of my videos. Alright? At long last, all is done, so I'll set them aside. And here I've got my clean and cut carrots, ginger and celeries. I'll put all of them in the blender just like this, and lovelies, I'll blend them until nice and smooth, making sure I extract as much juice as I want. Yeah, to support your girl, please don't forget to like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. So for effortless blending, I've added a little bit of filtered water. Yeah, lovelies, don't just watch the video, okay, but give this a try and thank me later, especially if you're looking to get a glowy skin, to fight hyperpigmentation and to get a very flawless skin. Then let this be your go-to juice and you'll be amazed at the outcome. Yeah, all done now, so it's time to separate the juice from the pulp. And here we go. This is so nice, I love it. To be hasty with this whole process, I'm using my spatula to do this, and you can as well use your clean hands. Few minutes later, it's time to add our juice that we squeezed from the fruits. You can even add it straight away into the bowl, but I decided to add it here in the strainer because it will serve as water, which will help to extract more of the juice from the pulp. And now I'm adding filtered water to also help with the same process and to also increase the quantity of juice I'm making. You can add more water if you like, but this much is fine by me because I want my juice to be concentrated. Now I'm adding turmeric powder and also vanilla extract, next honey, all for flavor. Yeah. To be honest, if your orange juice and clementines are all sweet like mine, there's no point adding honey. I added the honey because of the health benefits. Lovelies, that's it. I hope you've been inspired. So far so good. I'm all done making my homemade powerful juice to detox, to brighten the skin, and to repair the body as a whole. For more of my videos, lovelies, follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. Take care. Toodles. Peace out.